Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're doing daily options trade. Let's take a look at the portfolio here. Apple. We have a put, so it looks like it's doing okay for right now. See how that goes. Boeing has been coming back recently. They're about 150. We were up 156 last week, so it's coming down a little. But it looks like we're doing okay for now. Expiration's pretty far out there. Beyond Meat, we have a call I sold at 136 that I've rolled up. It's a diagonal. Looks like we're doing okay there. The stock's not doing great overall, but no stocks are, really. Cleveland Cliffs, still out of the money. Grand Canyon University is a great stock. Have a put at 100. It's doing a lot better. And looks like we're right in the middle. So if it just stays around this level till April 16, that'd be great. Palantir, love that stock. Not sure why it's not doing well. It's not getting the love, let me tell you. So let's do the daily options trade here. Oh, one other thing, Workhorse, really dropping like a brick. Unfortunately, I love that stock. Kathy Wood bought a bunch, so I think it's good. Tesla's taking a hit today. I'm at 610. Not really sure what it's at right now, but I know it's getting down there. I'd like to buy it around 600. So let's take a look at what we got today. You can see the board's pretty red. Palantir. Like I said before, I really like the stock. Let's look at the. Wow, it's really taking a dive. Look at it's really going down quite a bit. Doesn't look like it's coming back right now. Stochastic showing pretty bad news. Need to wait for it to turn. See what the options are priced at. See $1.35. Still not a lot of premium. Alright. I'm not going to go with that one today. Tesla is like just around 610. Interesting. Alright. Beyond Meat. This might be worth a look at today. No, still $5. Not worth it. Grand Canyon. I don't think I want to buy it at 105. Yeah, it's no good. Not much premium there, unless we got the May. Nope, I'm not gonna buy it. Oh, it's been a rough day. It's been a rough week. U.S. Steel's been a light. So let's take a look. Whoa. Premium is pretty high all the way out into May. Let's look at April. That's actually pretty good. I'm going to go with this for today. Yeah, I want to do a spread on the bottom, but it's not going to fall that much in a month, I don't think. So let's try that. Wow. That's a good premium. I'm going to bump this up to a couple. Give me a backstop. That's pretty good. Let me take it down a notch. Perfect. If I can get filled in there, that's good. Alright. Still have plenty of buying power. Let's take a look at the order. Didn't get filled. Let's try again. Alright. Let's go down to 16. Looks like it filled. Awesome. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. That's the daily options trade. I made my $400 minimum, and looks like none of these other options are viable to roll or close out currently. So, like I said before, Palantir, I really like that stock. So, anyway, looks like today's stock was U.S. Steel. You see, I can see I have plenty of profit on that stock, so I don't mind selling a call right now. Alright, guys. Stay tuned for my channel for the daily options trade. Basically, wealth building is what we're looking into. Different avenues to build wealth. Stay tuned for my reviews of just about anything wealth related. Anything you can invest in, banks, hard assets, alternative investments. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.